Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Blazing World. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to link your Binance wallet address for Hamster withdrawal. Now stay with me as we will learn a lot from this video. If this is your first time in this channel, please hit the subscribe button and then turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever I post any of our amazing videos. Without further ado, let's get to the steps. And the first thing you need to do is to go to your Telegram and then go to the Hamster bot. Now this is the Hamster bot here. I'm just gonna click on play in one link, sorry. I'll just claim my daily rewards, and now this is it. So this is my Hamster bot and this is everything. So to link your withdrawal address, now you click on airdrop, then you click on withdrawal. It's already on withdrawal. Sometimes you may enter and maybe on points, so put it in withdrawal. So these are the off-chain ones that are available for now: Binance, OKS and Bybit. These other ones, wallet in Telegram, exchange and on-chain airdrop, they're also available. But for the purpose of this video, I'm using Binance exchange, and you can use this same procedure if you want to use Bybit or OKX. So now I'll click on Binance exchange. I've been asked if I have a Binance account. If you don't have it, then create one, and if you do, just click on yes, I have it. So this is it. I'll have to copy my Hamster deposit address and the memo. Now for the deposit address, I'll go to my Binance. To go to my Binance, click on Binance and then go to my wallet. Then I click on deposit. I search Hamster. I've already searched for it today, so that's why it's in history, but let me do it again. Hamster. Don't call me. Okay, I tried to copy the address right now, but it's temporarily unavailable. It's because, well, there have been lots of transactions going on in the Ton blockchain, so I guess this is what's causing it. But I will still continue with the video. Once I click on deposit, you will see your withdrawal address and then your memo. Make sure you copy it out. Once you've copied it out, go back to your Hamster and then you input the deposit address here and the memo here. The memo will be some numbers. You input it here and then you click on save and choose. Okay, well, I've copied it before, so let me just go and input it. So this is my memo here, and then this is my address here. Okay, now since I've gotten it, I'll click on save and choose. As you can see, request processing. After it's done, then that's all. Well, it's taking time, but after request processing, that's the final process. So this is all you need to know in connecting your wallet. If you want to do the same thing with your Bybit, you follow the same process. It's as easy as that. let's go to it and see. Go back, let's click on Bybit exchange. Yes, I have it now. Okay, for Bybit you have to input your UID first, then your Hamster deposit address, and then your memo. If to get your Bybit UID, let's say you go to your Bybit and then this is where you copy your UID from. Here just click on it here and then you copy it, that's all, and then you can paste it here. Get your Hamster deposit address. So this is all you need to know concerning wallets connection. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, drop your comment, and if this is your first time in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever I post any of our amazing updates.